Welcome to our channel. Today, we'll show you how to activate your Philips Hue Bridge quickly and step by step. Let's get started. Step 1. Unbox and connect. Take your Philips Hue Bridge out of the box and plug it into a power outlet. Then, use the included Ethernet cable to connect it directly to your Wi-Fi router. Wait until all 3 lights on the bridge are solid. That means it's ready. Step 2. Download the Hue app. Go to the App Store or Google Play and download the Philips Hue app. Open it and make sure your phone is connected to the same Wi-Fi network as your bridge. Step 3. Set up the bridge. In the Hue app, tap Get Started or Set Up Hue Bridge. The app will automatically search for your bridge. Once it finds it, press the big round button on top of the bridge to confirm the connection. Step 4. Add your lights. After pairing, the app will guide you to add your Hue bulbs or lamps. Simply turn on each light and let the app detect them automatically or add them manually if needed. Step 5. Personalize your space. Create rooms, set scenes, and explore smart automations like waking up to a sunrise or dimming lights before bed. That's it. Your Philips Hue Bridge is now activated and ready to control your smart lights. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more quick and easy tech guides.